Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate guide for optimizing your digital workflow with fast and effective tech solutions. Are you looking to eliminate awkward jumps between your video cuts and create smooth cinematic switches instead? Today, I'm showing you the pro-level secret to adding dynamic visual transitions inside Camtasia in just seconds. Step 1. Launch the app. First, open your Camtasia application on your computer to launch your main video production editing interface. Step 2. Load project assets. Press the prominent Import Media button and select the exact video clips you want to add effects to. Step 3. Cut the footage. Scrub across your timeline ruler and hit the split tool to divide your video clip into distinct segments. If you want to save money and stay ahead with the best viral tech hacks, subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Step 4. Access FX menu. Navigate over to the left side Tool Options panel and click directly on the Transitions tab interface. Step 5. Apply dynamic blends. Long press your preferred transition preset and drag it directly onto the seam of your newly split video clips. Step 6. Replicate the process. Repeat the exact same drag and drop workflow across your remaining timeline cuts to seamlessly blend your entire project. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button and I'll see you in the next one.